Dear students, our next topic is valuation of goodwill, capitalization of super profit method. Capitalization of super profit. Under this method, goodwill is calculated by capitalizing super profit at the normal rate of return. Goodwill is calculated by capitalizing super profits at the normal rate of return. First step, calculation of average profit. Average profit equals total profit divided by number of years. Next, calculation of normal profit. Second step, calculation of normal profit. Normal profit equals capital employed into normal rate of return. Third step, calculation of super profit. Super profit equals average profit minus normal profit. Fourth step, valuation of goodwill. Goodwill equals super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Four steps are calculation of average profit, calculation of normal profit, calculation of super profit, and valuation of goodwill. Normal average profit equals total profit divided by number of years. Normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of return. Super profit equals average profit minus normal profit. Goodwill, super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. For capitalizing super profit. Super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Question. Average profit of the firm is rupees 1,50,000. Total tangible assets in the firm are rupees 14 lakhs and outside liabilities are 4 lakhs. In the same type of business, the normal rate of return is 10% of the capital employed. Calculate value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. Average profit 1,50,000. Total assets, tangible assets 14 lakhs. Outside liabilities 4 lakhs. Normal rate of return 10%. Goodwill under capitalization of super profit method. Goodwill equals super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Working note. First step, calculation of average profit. 1 lakh average profit of rupees 1,50,000 is given in the question. Next, calculation of normal profit. Normal profit equals capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed equals total asset minus outside liabilities. Total assets 14 lakhs and outside liabilities are 4 lakhs. 14 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, which is equal to 10 lakhs. Normal profit, capital employed into 10 by 100, which is equal to 10 lakhs into 10 by 100, rupees 1 lakh. Average profit 1,50,000, normal profit 1 lakh. Super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit 1,50,000, normal profit 1 lakh. Super profit equals 50,000. Goodwill equals, goodwill under capitalization of super profit. Goodwill equals super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Super profit is 50,000 and normal rate of return is 10%. When we capitalize super profit, answer is 50,000 into 100 by 10, which is equal to 5 lakhs. Rupees 5 lakhs is the value of goodwill. Thank you.